It is after. I am talking about after NDR. 10 to 12 gram per liter will be the sludge.
Yeah, but how much? Like, okay, who got the maximum?
But if you if suppose you are operating for 12 hours only.
Yeah.
Okay. Suppose the operator has forgotten to flush the line and sludge is solidified there. Then
show 2A.
Here one. And I think we have two options. We have to replace the NRP.
No, this is what he and why saying analogy is not required for sludge because sludge, but concentrate of sludge before the dewatering is super.
No, before this problem.
Yeah.
Now I think that if you are doing one the other one, so the flow will go back again. So we have to isolate the lines. Or to do replace the NRP by isolation pump.
Ahmad, in the sludge line, when you stop the pump, the sludge will solidify. When the sludge will solidify, the purpose of NRV will not will resolve. Whatever it may be. See, in the seawater line, I have seen the check-on reservoir. In the seawater line, the TDS is 40,000 ppm. Because of one period of time, there is scale. When the scale will come, the check-on will never come. So kindly remove it.
Yeah, I want to show you. Open the BNID. I'll show you something. I'm talking about the method point. See, now, in case we remove this one, then again you run this one. So the flow, the valve will go again. The flow will come here. It will go back to the pump.
No, it will be okay.
Yeah, what we can do? No. What we'll do? This line will be isolated. It will not connect to this. So this one line will be removed. Now we will cancel this line.
This will directly go to the.
Yeah, each one have separate dewatering.
Actually, in this case, your this particular line, this particular system will be entirely separate, and this particular system will be entirely separate.
Correct. Yeah.
Okay, so
one working, one standby.
Yeah, so entire chain will be your one working plus one standby.
Yes,
is that okay?
Yes, okay.
Yeah, that is good.
Yeah.
Here we are having more flexibility as if this is not working, then I can transfer into the system, or either way is okay. So I have more flexibility.
No,
here I'm losing the flexibility.
I tell you, the piping will come in the static equipment. There is a problem in the pump side only. And if you have the independent line going from pump discharge till screw, this is always good. This is always good because the line can get blocked. If you are keeping in one, the line can get blocked.